cable management and completely done. I ended up putting the solid state drives in the bays because the wires were just a little bit too tight as opposed to the previous spot on the right. They were just way too much tension on them. But I think it came out pretty good. I used a lot of cable combs and I think it looks pretty good. Alright, another updated video. Still wanted to get them a little bit better. I wish they had combs for the powers, the SATA powers. Oh, they tried. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, call it good.